For shoulder external rotation PAILs and rails, I'm going to use 2 yoga blocks. I'm going to get down on the ground just in case you can't quite see the position. The bird's eye view would be having a 90-degree bend. So I like to call this the cactus position, but basically a 90-degree bend in the elbow. Make sure it doesn't creep inwards because it takes rotation out of the position, making it easier, which is less beneficial to you. And make sure that the elbows aren't too low or too high. We want to be pretty much straight out from the shoulder. And then you're going to need to decide what height of yoga block you are based on your mobility. So again, for the mobility prescription for PAILs and rails, you're going to hold this stretch. So make sure at the bottom the elbows are straight out from the shoulder and that they're bent to 90 degrees. And they should touch. So if they don't touch, go down one so that they touch. To deepen the stretch, you can sink your shoulders a little bit closer to the ground. Hold the stretch for about a minute, and then to PAILs, you're going to spread full body contraction. Start to gradually ramp up tension, pushing the hands down into the blocks until you get to a max effort. Hold that max effort for 10 seconds. Gradually relax. Again, resisting the stretch is PAILs. And then for rails, we're going to try to lift up off of the blocks, pushing our elbows down, so essentially rotating the humerus in the glenohumeral joint. Lifting and relax. And then if you can, try to see if you can get that deeper setup now. I'm not quite there today. Tight. And then hold that for another minute. And if you're just doing this as a mobility superset, you'll get into the position, get comfortable for about 10 seconds, and then same thing for PAILs, spread that contraction into your full body, ramp up tension, get up to somewhere between a 7 and a max effort, depending on what the goal of that strength program is there. Hold that, and then relax, and then get out of it. And if you want, you can finish up with a couple of capsule cars just to kind of keep your